There are several fruits available in the market, but the mango considered as the king of all the fruit because of its taste. Mango are linked with several myths and side effects, but today I am going to tell you the best health benefit of this fruit. So before starting this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Mango is not only the delicious fruit but also giving us the best health benefits and also rich in several vitamins and loaded with high fiber content and aid in several diseases. The first health benefit of mango is lowering the cholesterol level. Eating mango could help in regulation of cholesterol levels. The high level of fiber, pectin, may help in bringing down the low density lipoprotein, that is bad cholesterol, which causes the plaque in the vessels and block the blood flow. So in this way the mango regulates and lower the cholesterol level of our body. The second health benefit of the mango is clearing the skin. Mango are filled with vitamin C and vitamin A. The both together help in skin repair and make skin healthy. Eating mango also known to exfoliate and eliminate the deadly pores of our skin. And according to the scientifically research, mango are loaded with skin healing nutrients and make the skin more glowing and healthy. The third health benefit is help in digestion. Mango are beneficial for digestion problems as mango contain the beta carotene and other certain enzymes that aid the breakdown of proteins, and also fiber content prevent the problems like constipations and makes the digestive tracts work more efficiently. In research, it also proven that it help in treatment of irritable bowel syndrome, that is very severe problem of our intestine. The fourth health benefit of mango is weight loss. Yes, mango help in weight loss. Eating of a mango in moderation amount could help in weight loss. The phytochemical in the mango also act as the natural fat busters. Mangoes are too low in calories. It only counts 0.6 calories per gram. So you can add up 1 to 2 mangoes in your daily diet as a fiber source. The fifth benefit of mango is control the diabetes. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, 1 cup of mango weight around 165 grams contain only 99 calories. They suggested that the mango lowers the level of blood glucose. In fact, mango leaves have capability to improve the insulin production and destruction of glucose. So in this way it controls the diabetes. The sixth health benefit of mango is it supports the eye health. The two key nutrition antioxidants, that is lutein and zeaxanthin and vitamin A. These antioxidants prevent the harmful blue light that are emitting from our phones and laptops and other gadgets. And vitamin A also prevent from dry eyes and night blindness and much more serious issues such as corneal scarring. So what else you want with one fruit? But it does not mean you can eat mango in every meal such as breakfast, lunch and dinner. The best limit of the mango per day is 330 gram. And the best time to eating mangoes is in the afternoon with lunch, or you can drink smoothies of mango. So eating mango in this way can give us the best health benefits. So if you like our video, let us know in the comment section and don't forget to share this video and subscribe our channel for your own health benefits.